Okay, step number one, 41,000 people watched this video about how to make $4,000 per month in 1 year with a blog. They loved it. Blogging is not your thing. I hear you. It's not my thing as well. And I'm going to solve this problem completely in the next step. You will not need a website, zero technical knowledge, zero writing experience, and even zero investment to create your blog in just 2 minutes. I saw this 18 minutes long video, and before you spend your time in this step, I'm here to tell you how much you can really make money from blogging without actually blogging. So here is step number 2. This video is 18 minutes long and it comes with every single detail you need in order to make $4,000 per month. But the problem is a beginner cannot make money only using this video because they left 4 problems unsolved. I'm going to solve these questions and these problems with a single software. But before we solve these problems, we need to know the problem. Problem number 1, complex domain and hosting server setup. It takes 5 to 10 hours minimum for a beginner, and monthly recurring charges for server, annual recurring charges for domain. Problem number 2, constant content creation. Either you write it or hire someone to write it for you. Problem number 3, driving visitors to your blog. Google and social media like Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest. Problem number 4, making money. You can use affiliate marketing, Google AdSense, but making money is the problem, and they left it unsolved. We will solve all the 4 problems using one single software. But before that, let me show you how much money we could make if those problems didn't exist. And as a bonus, in one of the sections, I will show you how you can make hundreds of thousands of dollars from a bigger marketplace. Alright, we're going to the next step right now. But before we go there, let me give you a quick glimpse of how the software works. Just copy an URL, paste it right here, spin the wheel of artificial intelligence, and boom, your blog is ready to make money. Adjust settings and other parameters to match your taste before or after, whenever you want. Okay, now step number 3, $25 million per month from one blog. I have been online since 2010, and before I built my 7-figure per year software company, I knew about websites like this. So we are on lifehacker.com, and as you can see, this is a blog. Can you see that? This is just a blog. It has domain and it is hosted in a hosting server. And let's go and look at one of its contents. What does it have? It has on top of it ads. This one, ads. This one is a headline, and this one is a sub headline. This one is an image and simple content. Right? Now let's go click start slideshow, another image and a little bit of content, another image and a little bit of content, another image and a little bit of content. That's it. They're making all their money from these ads. All right. Now let's go and check how much money they make. Number 1, they have 8.9 million monthly visitors because people love this kind of content, and they make $15 million to $25 million per month. $25 million. Oh my God. Okay, let's have a look at their bounce rate. 60%. That's 40% people stay long time in their website. And that's why all these channels send traffic to them. So all you need is easy. All you need. Nothing. Google sending them traffic, they direct traffic, referral traffic, social media traffic, email traffic, everywhere, because people love them. Why? Because they have a lot of content. Simple content, but a lot of content. Do they have anything else? No. It's just simple content and ads. Simple content and ads. You can do it with Maven. Before we move forward, please hit the like button and share this video. This is how you help us move on, create more and more videos, create more and more softwares to help you make. Go ahead, do it. Step 4, I knew this system for a long time, so I built a software that solves all the problems. And since then, domain, server, content, traffic, and money was not a problem anymore. So what stopped me from making a blog in the first hand? I think it's the fear of content creation myself, and upfront cost and investment that stopped me from taking action and creating my own blog at the very beginning when I started. I realized I need a blog, domain, hosting server, content, and ads to make money, and no escape from this. So my team built Maven, and we solved all the problems using the software Maven. The software is free for my YouTube viewers. Just use and make money. Step number 5, let's see how Maven works. Let us make a high converting website using Maven. We like this page, we want to steal this page legally. Go to your Maven account and click the add blog button. Copy the URL of the page you want to hijack, go to Maven and paste the URL here. Click the create button. Maven just hijacked the page, but warning, this is not your content. First, add the blog title, the blog image from multiple options. We will simply upload from our hard drive. First, let us embed your affiliate link on the content and click save. You can do all kinds of text formatting, bold, create headline. Once you are done with editing, click save. Now this is the magic section. You will use the application to rewrite the content to make it your own. So click this yellow button. Your content will be rewritten using AI or artificial intelligence. How cool is that? Now it's 100% unique content and it's yours. And add more image if you want, more beautification if you want, videos or any other elements if you want. Add advertisement. We'll upload or use our library to add more images. So we're uploading from our hard drive. Just add in an image. You can also use Pixabay or Google CC and search those images from right inside Maven. Oh, why not add a YouTube video? Just copy and paste the link right here. Click the add button and the video is embedded. Wow. You're happy with the content, click save, your content is ready. Now do all this meta information stuff if you want, basically for SEO or search engine optimization to get free traffic from search engines. When you are done, click the publish now button or publish later and schedule for publishing later. Our page is absolutely ready. Click this I button and see for yourself. The amazing Tesla review page is ready to rock and roll. Step number 6, it's your turn to make money. Go get Maven from the link in the description and make money. Did you like our video so far? If yes, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, and this way you will help us making more videos like this and help you learn how to make money and share more of our softwares for free. Go ahead, like our video, subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, and share this video with your friends and family. This is very important. Very important. You help them and you make more money. Okay, now let's talk about traffic. You see, we're making videos. With videos, we are sharing our knowledge, our software with you. Why? Because when you get benefit, you come back to us for our content. More you come back to our content, YouTube knows, and it's an awesome content, and they will show our content to more and more people, and this way we reach out to more and more people. So sharing is caring. Share this video with your friends and family. This way, not only you learn how to make money online, you help others learn how to make money online and give access to our software map. Go ahead, do it, and we'll see you in the next video.